Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Phil
Indy's
Travel Spree on day 4 aboard the Carnival Venezia on the Melanin at Sea 1.5 group cruise. Now, today, unfortunately, is the last day.
Sounds like it needs to be for you.
Y'all think I'm losing my voice or something, but y'all pray for me. This is the last sea day, but we got a lot of exciting things going on today, including the Melanin at Sea cocktail party with unlimited drinks. And most importantly, this is the day that y'all been waiting on, because today we get to see Dee sing. So make sure you stay tuned, don't go anywhere, because Dee's gonna sing for y'all. Peace. Who was that? Who you see? You see Cat in the Hat? Yeah. All right, you ready for a picture? Okay, you gonna be a big boy? Take a picture with Cat in the Hat? All right. He is so grown, y'all. He is so grown. 2204. Say cheese. All right, come on, man. Come on.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah.
What code? Yeah. Thank you.
Are you ready? All right. So we can't tell already. We made it to the Dr. Seuss's green eggs and ham breakfast. PJ is already excited. We haven't even seen not one character yet. Well, besides Cat in the Hat that was outside. They did allow photo op opportunity, but PJ is already excited. If you do want to know what's on the menu, it is available in the Carnival Hub app. So you can make a reservation prior to boarding the ship while you're on the ship. Also, if they do have enough room, they do accept walk-ins. But just to be on the safe side, go ahead and book your reservation early. If you do have the reservation, you do need to go check in, and they do give you a little ticket. It'll have, all your names on there, the entire party that you're supposed to be with, as long with your assigned table number.
Can I get the French toast with sausage? You want pancakes or waffles? Pancakes. with the same pork link sausage and hash browns.
What is your name, ma'am?
D.
D? Like my name, D.
Oh.
Oh, we got 2 D's.
Yeah.
Let's do the Fox and Sox steak and eggs.
How you wanna cook, sir?
Medium.
Medium?
Yes.
Small meat. You want to make it double?
I can make it double?
Yeah. Small.
Yeah, let's make it a double. I appreciate it. Alright, so our waiter D did say the steaks with the steak and eggs is a little on the thin side. He offered me double steak, just kind of looking out. There's no additional charge for it, so, why not?
All right, kiddos, let me hear you. Who's ready? There we go. Now we got some friends here for you. Everybody look in the middle. We've got thing 1 and we've got thing 2. Everyone say, hey, thing 1. Everyone say, hey, thing 2. Oh, yeah. My friend Sinclair is going to come around and she'll dismiss you when you can come get your picture.
you.
That's an adorable smile. All right, and then if y'all want like a photo, it's his turn over there, okay?
You wanna go take a picture? Yeah. All right, go, Daddy, take a picture.
Say yes? Yeah. All right. You ready for your picture? Yeah. All right, let's go.
Room number
2204.
Get in the middle, Papa.
We'll take your picture, man.
You take one by yourself? Turn around.
Turn around. Smiley.
Smile.
One more. Good job, baby.
All right, good job.
So happy. So excited.
Say bye-bye. All right. Yes, I would like to
All
try.
right, so this is the last chance for you to come get this picture.
Those pancakes.
Two.
Excuse me, this.
We're about to go back and raise Cain somewhere else.
Yeah.
That is the first. All right, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
2% milk. 2% milk. 2% milk. This looks like a lot.
It is a lot. Look like a hot mess.
It looks like my stomach gonna be hurt.
I'm glad I didn't order it. I don't even like Fruit Loops. You know Fruit Loops and Fruity Pebbles?
Yeah, that's Fruit Loops. Just crushed up.
No, just eat it like that.
I don't know where to start. But they do give you more French toast than C-Day brunch. I mean, I guess the C-Day brunch is thicker, but because I have more. Sausage is bigger here. Pancakes look nice. I don't know. We're gonna see what it tastes like. I'm scared.
Everybody, just gonna let you know that you're all good to go to come get a picture with Sam I Am.
Yeah, you wave at him.
Turn.
Turn around.
You.
Turn around, smile. Yeah. Good job, man. Give him a high five. All right. What's up?
I think you ready for Disney?
He ready for Disney. As much as he holler about Mickey Mouse, he might be. You got some Disney money?
Yep.
Disney cruise
Right
loaded? What? So Disney cruise loaded?
Maybe. I mean, let me talk with my source. I mean, in Phil.
Oh, your funding source. Ha, nothing.
My cruising source, not funding source.
Yeah, same thing.
I contribute to the fund.
You do.
So it's my cruising source, right?
Tomato to me.
All right.
Yo, so after a quick nap, we are headed up to the Lido Deck because it is time to groove for St. Jude.
Y'all know how you feel about that group for St. Jude.
Man, yeah, this one better be. Oh man, if you don't know what we talking about, we'll link that video up here. That Groove of St. Jude on the last Carnival ship we was on. Terrible. Terrible. Yo, so we just arrived to the Lido Deck. Groove of St. Jude is about to get kicked off in about 5 minutes or so. But we wanted to drop a gem for you guys. The Lido Deck is on 10. If you go to deck 11, there's plenty of areas where you can sit. It's also shaded. They got different games up here, foosball. I think they got like a big Chinese checkers. People also come up here to play cards, dominoes, just to kind of kick it. Like it's not like any other Lido Deck that we've seen before, but if you're a people watcher, this is definitely like the spot for you. Or if you just want to come here and read a book, they got They got
Have a
plenty.
library.
Yeah, they even got a library up here for you as well. But like I said, perfect spot. It's definitely if you're a people watcher, you can just kind of look over the Lido Deck and just see what everybody is doing.
Have a chance to come on over. With a donation of $12, we're going to give you a shirt as a thank you, and our bears should be on their way very shortly. So come on over, have a chance to be able to make a difference in this world. Do good, feel good, and we'll see you when you come on down. It's all going to be on your Sailin' Sign card, those cabin door keys, and we'll see you when you come on over as we have a chance to be able to group for St. Jude.
Our group for St. Jude event on St. Jude Medical Research Hospital in Memphis, Tennessee. Also, just a heads up, we do have our Build-A-Bear, our group for St. Jude Build-A-Bears out as well on the left-hand side of the Lido. So come on down, guys, with our youth team if you're interested. We're only going to be here for just a few more moments. All you need is your room key, a $28 donation, and we will get you that Build-A-Bear. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have participated, and we'll see you soon.
I got this hat on because I look like it's the end of the cruise. Anywho.
So
Ooh, I'm about to fall.
we just got back from Groove for St. Jude.
Yeah, we did. And his voice is not hoarse because of that. At all. Y'all know how he feel about Groove for St. Jude. And look at this face. So y'all already know what that means.
That's not funny. Like it was bad. Like we're 2 for 2 now. Like 2 for 2.
I think he needs to be a cruise director. So what would you have rather happen? What did you want it to be like? Like them getting the crowd involved and doing dances and things like that?
Like if this is the way Carnival is gonna handle Groove for St. Jude, like they just need to stop it. They just need to stop it. Like
I think they got like 2 donations.
yeah, so out there, Groove for St. Jude, we were there early. Y'all saw we got there early. They only got 2 donations. I think the first one was for like $100. The other one was for like $50. And it's because
150.
yeah, it's because of the entertainment staff. Like you can look at them, they're just up there playing around, talking, up there drinking water. Like y'all should be interacting with the crowd. Y'all should be getting the crowd hyped up. Like this is a very big philanthropy or partnership that y'all have, and I feel like they're being dealt the short end of the stick. Like you can see people was literally lounging around. People were out there getting tans.
In the pool.
People were in the pool just chilling. It wasn't, people were just playing cards. People were playing foosball. Like there was no hype. There was no excitement. Like there was no anything. Like the real cruise ship DJ wasn't even there. It was somebody else. I guess from the entertainment team. I don't know, but like at least come out, act like you care. At least come out and hold up your end of the deal in this partnership that y'all have with St. Jude. Like, and y'all know PJ gonna dance. He gonna jump around. He gonna get hype. PJ pulled out his dinosaurs, monster trucks, and Play-Doh and made his own fun. Like even PJ was over it. Like it was just so bad. And I got my hopes up, hoping it was just that one cruise on the Carnival Radiance. But
maybe they still just kind of like working out the kinks on here, and they'll get it together sooner rather than later.
I don't know what it is, man. Like, it was, Groove for St. Jude sucked. It's not your typical, like I said, you used to, cruise director getting the people high, like everybody, like
getting involved,
people
getting
dropping
involved.
donations after donation after donation. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It was just like,
hey, we got shirts here, $12 if you want to donate.
yeah, they just set up shop on the front stage, just hanging around, kikiing with each other. Like that's not cool. That's not cool to us.
They announced the donations, and they were excited about the 2 that they did receive, but it wasn't like they were trying to encourage other people to like give. Now I don't know if they've received like negative feedback from trying to get people to give, like what happened, but yeah,
it's just not the same. Like you said, they weren't trying to encourage nobody. They just plain on period just wasn't trying.
yeah.
Like it was like this event should not be an event just to check a box. Not this event. Not this event. So yeah, it was very disappointing to see. But and the thing about it is, like, we hate really being negative. Like, we love Carnival. We love Carnival, but just an event of this magnitude and how it's supposed to help so many families and so many kids, like I that's one part of it that I just don't like. So anyway, that was our little event session. We got the rest of the day to cruise. So oh yeah, she's still gonna sing for y'all.
I'm gonna try to, if I don't get on the list.
No. We gonna get there early. We gonna make sure she get on the list.
It's fine, guys.
And I'll be right
Y'all been
there.
hearing me sing the whole vlog. It's
I'll
alright.
be right there, front and center.
On the stage. What do you mean?
Yeah, in front of the stage. You
No,
gonna
like
be
on the stage.
No,
I need backup.
You're on the stage.
You're my backup.
I'll sing backup from behind the camera.
Then I'm gonna be right there with you behind the camera.
Don't do that.
I need backup.
Take PJ. All right, y'all.